talk about database architecture, part of database management system course. Database architecture refers to overall design and structure of a database system, including hardware, software, and data structures used to store and manage data. There are several different types of database architectures, including centralized database architecture. This is a traditional database architecture in which all data is stored in a single central location, typically on a server or a mainframe computer. Users access the data through client computers that are connected to the central server. Distributed database architecture. In this type of architecture, the data is stored in multiple locations, typically on multiple servers or computers. The data is distributed across these locations and can be accessed by users from any location. Client-server database architecture. This is a type of architecture in which the database is stored on a server and accessed by clients over a network. The client sends requests to the server, which processes the requests and sends the results back to the clients. Peer-to-peer database architecture. In this type of architecture, there is no central server or mainframe computer. Instead, each computer or device in the network acts as both a client and a server, allowing data to be shared directly between devices. Cloud database architecture. This is a type of architecture in which the database is stored and managed on a cloud computing platforms such as Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure. Users can access the database from anywhere within an internet connection. Each type of database architecture has its own benefits and drawbacks, and the best choice for a particular application will depend on the needs and requirements of the system. Thank you for watching.